We would like to introduce you to our new product, an electric press brake with world-class DELEM DA-58T controller. The electric press brake is distinguished from hydraulic presses by lower noise emission, better precision, and definitely higher bending speed. The DELEM DA-58T controller allows you to create designs both on and off the machine using dedicated software. Working with this device, you will check every step of the program for collisions right at the design stage. A convenient 2D touchscreen clearly visualizes the detailed simulation and parameters of the workpiece during each bending step. You'll track exactly what the sequence looks like, what tools to use, see detailed dimensions of the bent part, as well as other parameters. Otinus electric press brake is a precise device where you will find, among other things, adjustable front supports for convenient loading of sheets of different weights and sizes. X and Y axes are controlled by lens servo motors for maximum precision. Manual Z axis provides high functionality and reduces machine costs. Amada's dual top tool mounts allow for easy and quick tool changes, increasing work efficiency and reducing machine downtime. GV Misura branded magnetic scales will show the current slide height. Automatic control in Z, X, and R axis is an additional option. The quality of the electrical system is ensured by components from the world's top brands, Schneider, Fiesler, and Lenz. For the sake of your safety, we have installed additional features in our electric presses, such as panic protection system, which stops and raises the slider if the pedal is pressed too rapidly, as well as the box bending system, optimizing the bending of the most complex parts. In addition, you'll find AKA's light barriers from Fiesler, ergonomically positioned emergency and limit switches, and full health and safety signage. Want to learn more? Visit our website or call the number provided below.